Hey friends, if you encounter this issue where OneDrive is stuck on processing changes, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolution. Now, before we proceed further, I want you to know that the first resolution is disk cleanup. So search for disk cleanup, open it, click on OK, select all of these files, and then click on OK and then click on delete files. Now, why are we cleaning up the disk? The reason is that the main cause behind this issue is that there isn't enough space on OneDrive. And while cleanup is used to clear local storage, it also clears unnecessary files from pictures folder and the downloads folder and all. So this can be very helpful. After this, the next solution will be to right click on the OneDrive icon, select settings, okay, pause syncing, click on this pause, select any option and then click on it and then click on resume syncing. Now when you do this, when it starts resuming syncing, it basically kind of restarts OneDrive and the whole syncing process for OneDrive. So this is what is going to fix the problem mainly. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.